In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily log in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable space to capture your tasks, notes, and reflections each day. Start by opening Notion and heading to the top left corner of the app. Click the small drop-down arrow there to open the main menu. This expands your workspace options and reveals tools that aren't always visible at first glance, which is helpful when you're setting up something new like a daily log. From this menu, click Templates. This takes you into Notion's collection of ready-made pages. If you land in the Gallery view or Marketplace, you may see a Templates tab again. Go ahead and click it so you're looking specifically at the template listings. Using a template saves time and gives you a solid structure to build on. Now, look for the search bar at the top of the gallery and type Daily Log. You'll see a variety of options, some focused on quick journaling, others on habit tracking, task lists, or wellness metrics. Skim the previews and choose the one that best matches how you like to work. For example, if you prefer short entries and checkboxes, pick a simple tracker. If you want more reflection space, choose a journal-style layout. Once you've found your match, click Add, or whatever the button says to bring it into your workspace. Notion may ask where to place it. Select the page or workspace where you want your log to live so you can find it instantly each morning. With the template added, it's time to make it yours. Rename the page to something clear, like Daily Log, and adjust the icon and cover for quick visual recognition. Open the properties and fine-tune what you track every day. Common fields include a date property, a checkbox, or status for completed tasks, tags for themes like work or personal, and optional fields such as mood, energy, or a short wins section. If the template includes a database, set your preferred view, a simple list for speed, a calendar for scheduling, or a board if you like grouping entries. Edit the sample entries or remove them so you're starting fresh. If the template includes a button to create new daily pages, customize that template page with the prompts you want to see each day, things like today's top 3, notes, and reflection. Finally, pin the page in your sidebar for quick access, and you're ready to log your day consistently with just a click.